For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Tired of juggling too many kitchen gadgets? Let me tell you about the one appliance that replaced almost all of mine, the 𝐕𝐢𝐬𝐭 Wonder Oven. It's not just another trendy air fryer, it's a 6-in-1 powerhouse that can air fry, toast, roast, bake, reheat, and broil, all from your countertop. I've been using it for a few weeks, and honestly, it's been a game changer for my cooking routine. What sets it apart is the steam infusion technology, something I didn't know I needed until I tried it. The first time I roasted vegetables, they came out with a perfect crisp on the outside and tender texture inside. Even reheating pizza felt like a fresh-baked experience. Soft base, melted cheese, no dryness at all. That steam makes a noticeable difference in how your food tastes and feels. And if you hate waiting for ovens to preheat, you'll love this. The Wonder Oven preheats 75% faster and cooks up to 30% faster than regular ovens. With its 450-degree Fahrenheit max temperature and 60-minute timer, it's super easy to adjust for any recipe. I even baked cookies in it, and they turned out evenly golden, no burnt edges, no undercooked centers. Despite its compact size, this oven can roast a full 4.5-pound chicken or handle double the capacity of a standard air fryer, which honestly surprised me. It's perfect if you want something efficient without taking up too much space. I love how it fits neatly on my counter but still handles family-sized meals. The 360-degree air circulation makes a real difference too. When I air-fried salmon, it came out flaky inside and crispy outside, all with minimal oil. It's a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods without giving up flavor or crunch. Whether you're reheating, baking, or broiling, the Wonder Oven nails consistency. It doesn't just heat food, it restores its original texture and taste. That's something I haven't seen in other compact ovens. If you're looking for something that's fast, reliable, and genuinely improves your cooking, the 𝐕𝐢𝐿 Wonder Oven is worth it. From my experience, it saves time, cooks evenly, and makes every dish taste better. Plus, the blue salt finish adds a stylish, modern touch that fits right into any kitchen.